our Everest back in the day. We were so pumped when we finally made it to the top. We always wonder what's...
Times Square. Easy to find someone in the crowd here, or lose them. Sounds you need's like an electric current.
A current? I could cheat it with venom. Nah. Oh, that's cool. How alive that feels.
After I started calling myself the problem, met my first client right under this sun. Neon flag's hard to miss, and the crowd makes it easy to blend in. He wanted me to steal a painting. I looked across the square and saw your dad looking back at me. He never said anything. Just turned and left. He didn't know everything, just that I was a thief. That was enough. I think he saw what he was heading to long before I did.
If he would have tried to act right sooner, he would have forgiven me. I know he would have.